Hey guys, I'm Shamjaswal from Coderpedia, and in this video I'm going to talk about a common question which most of the people have in mind while starting with programming, which is why should I learn coding? Now this is also one of the most important questions which everyone must ask to themselves before jumping into programming, as one should have a substantial reasons and motivation to learn programming. So, I am going to discuss some of the top 13 reasons why you should learn coding. These reasons will help you to pave the way for your programming journey and make it much more interesting. In our website, thecoderpedia.com, we have posted the blog article for you on the same topic which you must take a look at. The link is in the description below. So without further ado, let's start with the reason number 1, which is programming is definitely a lucrative career option. As we all know that the world is moving toward automation and computation, which is why the need of programmers has also increased exponentially. So if you are searching for a lucrative career option, then programming is the best option for you, and here you will not find any job scarcity for the next decades of years. With this, moving toward our second reason, which is being entrepreneur. Programmers are not only limited to an employee, but many programmers have started their own business and living their dream life. Now, most of the products and services we use are digital. So, being a digital entrepreneur and starting your business with digital products and services is a good option. Now, if you have just started your business and have no money to invest in hiring the programmer for building your app or website, you can do it yourself, obviously, if you know the programming and software development. So, this was another substantial reason to learn programming. Now, the third reason why you should learn programming is world is craving for the good programmers. As the world is moving toward industrialization, computers are becoming our necessity. Computers are required in every field, which ultimately increases the demands of good programmers who can solve the problems in a much efficient way. So, if you are good at programming, then the world is full of opportunities for you. The next reason for you to start programming is that you can be your own boss. You can be your own boss and work for yourself. It means you can work from wherever and whenever you want. If you don't like 9 to 5 job, then there are many other options for earning online in the field of programming. Like there are many tech giant companies which offer you to work for them from home. You can also work as a freelancer, which is quite a good option nowadays. There are lots of top freelance jobs available, and freelancers are charging thousands of dollars based on the working hour. So, if you want to work remotely and independently, then programming is the best option for you. One of the most fascinating reason for learning to code is that programming is the closest thing we have to superpower. When it comes to programming, it is not only a good career option but also a most creative career option you can have. According to me, programmers are the wizard of today's generation. Programmers can create whatever they want with just a line of codes. Thinking it deeply gets us to the conclusion that programming is no less than magic or having a superpower. Now, coming to our sixth reason, which is you don't need any specific qualification to be a programmer. Here is another good reason why you should learn coding. If you have a good knowledge of top programming languages and have a couple of projects to show, then your qualification or degree doesn't matter. As we know that Google, Facebook and other big companies are now hiring only on the basis of skills and knowledge you have. Doesn't matter whether you are graduated or not. These tech giant companies conduct various online competitions for hiring purposes, and if you are good enough, this becomes great opportunity for you. The seventh reason in our list is highest paying jobs available. Now here is another vivid reason to learn programming. Programming opens the door for you for getting the highest paying jobs. As programming comes under one of the highest paying jobs, so if you are a high pay seeker, then programming is for you. Now, our eighth reason for you to learn programming is creative thinking. If you love to create new things and want to impact the lives of millions of people with your products or service, then programming is one of the best option you can have. In programming, we used to say that one line of code can impact millions of lives. Our world is becoming digital and we are completely dependent on technology for our day-to-day work. You can use this opportunity of the digital era to help in transforming the world and making a big difference in the world by creating resourceful things. Now, our next reason is highest job openings. Programming is the necessity of the modern world. A computer is necessary for every industry. As a result, there are thousands of job openings for programmers as well. Even in agriculture also, people are making use of computers and automation. There is an abundance of job opportunity for the programmer and technical persons nowadays. Increasing your programming solving skills is another benefit of learning programming. With programming, your problem solving skills improve drastically. You can figure out the number of efficient ways of completing a single task, which increases your cognitive ability. While programming, you will always be enthusiastic about completing the different challenges which impact your life in a much optimistic way. Coming to the 11th reason for learning to code, which is lifetime learning. Every next day, a new technology is introduced which replaces the old one. Today, Android app development is in a boom, but we don't know about the next 2 or 3 years. Whether it will be still so much popular in the future or not. So, a lifetime learning attitude is mandatory. Similarly, programming and software engineering is a lifetime learning job. Nowadays, every next day a new technology is introduced which affects our day to day life. So, it is the job of a software engineer to learn the upcoming and in demand technologies and use it for the benefit of people. Programmers are forced to learn new technology, so it will be much favorable if you have the habit of learning and adopting changes in life. Our last but not the least reason for learning to code is programming teaches you how to think. Computers work much like the human brain works, as our brain thinks and takes the most appropriate steps for different situations. Similarly, computers also uses a different types of data structures and algorithms for completing tasks more efficiently. The working of computers and brain are much similar as both works algorithmically. So, being a programmer makes your life much easier in taking a decision because subconsciously your mind gets trained to make efficient decisions. We know that the only difference between computers and humans is that humans are intelligent beings and computers are not. This barrier is also being removed with the help of artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence, computers are also possessing intelligence and the ability to think. Now, here is the last reason for learning to code, which is you will feel accomplished. Nowadays, programming is one of the best satisfactory jobs you can have. This is because in programming, we can see the result of our work and the drastic impact it is putting in the world very easily. This makes you feel very accomplished and satisfied with your job. So, these are some of the substantial reasons for you to learn programming. You can also visit our website thecoderpedia.com, as there we have already posted many articles related to programming and software development, and I highly suggest you to visit it as well. The link is in the description below. If you agree with any of these reasons, please comment and let us know what you think about it. Leave a like so I know you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well, so you will never miss the next video we will upload in this channel. Till then, keep learning. See you next time.